Styles let you train the look of your YouTube channel so every thumbnail feels consistent, recognizable, and on brand. There are two ways to create a style. First is to enter a YouTube channel link or username. We'll show you thumbnails from that channel so you can select which ones to use to train your style. Or you can upload thumbnails manually. Once your style is ready, you'll find it right here in the dropdown. I have a couple of tips for you to get the best results. Use thumbnails that look hyper similar and match your current channel aesthetic. Do not mix different styles or layouts. If you have multiple formats, simply create multiple styles. Make sure you choose clean, well-lit thumbnails without too much text clutter. And here is how to use your style in Pixels. Write a very simple prompt, select your trained style from the dropdown and click Generate. Or you input a thumbnail in our Recreate feature, select your style and click Generate. And yeah, that's it. Pixels will now generate your thumbnail in the visual style you've trained. And of course, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to open a support ticket. We are always happy to help.